Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video we are going to see a most stunning design, which is the brocade bridal handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have 20 different colors and 20 different unique designs in this video. So we are going to see all these sarees. Before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So to the new customers, we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees and we are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please do check our YouTube channel for more collections and more designs. So all these sarees are bridal wear soft silk sarees, full jari work brocade sarees, a very rich look sarees. So all are different design and different color combinations. We'll see each sarees. This is the very first saree, a beautiful peacock blue with violet combination. A rich pallu in gold jari, and all over the saree you have a peacock blue. In that you have full jari work and an embossed work done. With both sides you will get a contrast border in violet color. You will get a contrast blouse in violet color. As you can see the shine on the saree, this is a cross color. It looks very good. This is the back side of the saree. The design comes all over the saree. Full saree you will get this brocade work with both sides a big border. In that you have a beautiful spade design. So all these are embossed work. And next is a beautiful blue with light green combination. All over the saree it is fully silver jari work. Full saree a rich brocade work in silver jari. You will get a contrast blouse. So all these are bridal wear soft silk sarees, a double warp premium quality silk. Comes with a SILKMARK certified. All are very rich look sarees. The next is a beautiful grey with violet combination. The body comes in a beautiful grey, and all over the saree you have a beautiful jari work in gold jari with a contrast border in violet color with violet pallu and blouse. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can simply share the screenshot and book with us. And next is a light grey with teal blue combination. All are different designs and different color combinations. So please do watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs. All these are soft silk sarees, very lightweight. Approximate weight will be around 700 grams. You can use it for any grand function or any bridal wear. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified. And next is a self color saree, a beautiful orange shade. Full saree it comes in an orange. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. Please don't wait it. Please do book the saree. We have very limited stock in each of these colors. Also we are giving for wholesale and bulk orders. So our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well for more collections. This is a beautiful beige with violet combination. You have both sides a contrast border. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree. All these sarees price ranges from 7,500 to 8,000. So to know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us for the details and booking. Also please don't skip this video, watch this video fully. We have more pastel shades as well in this video. This is a beautiful lavender with pink combination. So do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections and support us. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.